Hello, I'm Mihela. Today I'm going to talk about another endemic species of bird to Sri Lanka. The Sri Lankan Green Pigeon. The Sri Lanka Green Pigeon or Ceylon Green Pigeon is a pigeon in the genus Treron. It is only found in the forest of Sri Lanka. Yellow face, yellowish line on the wing. Male has a maroon back that is green on the female. Legs and feet of Sri Lankan green pigeon are reddish. Their claws are like It is featured in the 4.50 rupees postal stamp in Sri Lanka. Named locally as Sri Lanka Bata Goya. In fact, this bird and several other green pigeons are known in the same name. I have seen the Ceylon green pigeon only once in one of our trips to Sembuatta Lake in Matale district. Sembuatta Lake is a new attraction in Sri Lanka. It is a man-made lake surrounded by beautiful scenery, trees and mountains. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to see my next video about the little ringed plover.